In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use auto reframe for different aspect ratios in Premiere Pro. If you're delivering the same video to multiple platforms, you know that framing can fall apart when switching from landscape to vertical or square. Auto reframe intelligently analyzes your shot and keeps the action centered, so your content looks intentional, whether it's going to widescreen, vertical, or anything in between. Start by choosing the sequence you want to reframe. In the project panel, click the sequence so it's highlighted. This tells Premiere exactly which timeline you want to work with. If you have multiple cuts, double-check the name to make sure you're picking the right one, especially if you've created different versions or nested edits. With the sequence selected, open the Auto Reframe tool from the top menu by going to Sequence, then choosing Auto Reframe Sequence. This opens a dedicated dialog designed for fast, reliable reframing without having to manually keyframe the motion yourself. In the dialog, pick your target aspect ratio. This is where you decide how the final video will be framed. For example, 16.9 is standard for YouTube and most widescreen playback, 9:16 is popular for vertical platforms, and 1:1 works well for some feeds and grids. Choose the format that matches where your video will live. The goal is to fit your content to the destination without cropping out important action. Next, select the motion tracking speed. This determines how quickly auto reframe follows your subject. Slower motion is ideal for interviews, landscapes, or sequences with gentle movement where a calm, steady crop looks best. Default is a balanced choice for most edits, offering smooth tracking that doesn't feel jumpy. Faster motion shines in action scenes, sports, or busy street footage where the subject moves rapidly and the framing needs to keep up. When you're happy with those settings, click Create. Premiere will process the footage, generate a new sequence at the chosen aspect ratio, and apply keyframed motion to keep the focus where it belongs. Your original sequence stays untouched, and you'll see the reframed version added to the project panel with a clear name so you can tell them apart at a glance. That's all it takes. By selecting the right aspect ratio and tracking speed, you get an output tailored to your platform without hours of manual adjustments. Use this whenever you need consistent, professional framing across different formats, and enjoy the time it saves in your post-production workflow.